Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your email template for BusinessGlu. Now, this email template is actually the email notification that your registrants will be receiving upon successful registration to your event. To start, let's log into your BusinessGlu account. From this page over here on the top right, hover your mouse over your initials and then click on Team Dashboard. From the dashboard over here on the left-hand side menu, click on Email Templates and then click on Invite User. And here is the Invite User email template. So as you can see here, you can actually edit the from name. So let's change this to a event. And then reply to, you can set the email address people can respond to. So let's change this to support@aevent.com. And then the subject, this will actually be showing on the email subject that will be sent to your registrants. And then a greeting, and then the content of the email itself, and then the call to action. So let's change this to download now. And then line 2, this is the message after the call to action. And then salutation is actually your signature. So let's put in a event support. And once you're satisfied with everything, don't forget to click on update. Once that is updated over here on the right hand side, you can actually see a preview of the email that will be sent out to your registrant. So as you can see, we've changed this from a event and then the reply to the subject. And then this is the greeting and then the content of the message. We changed this earlier to download now. And then the greeting after the call to action and then your signature. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll always get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.